For over 40 years, India has faced economic instability and stagnation, yet the solution lies hidden within the depths of its manufacturing sector. This sector serves as the very backbone of the Indian economy, fundamentally supporting the thriving service industry.
Acknowledging the critical role manufacturing plays in economic resilience is essential for national recovery.
Just as a sturdy tree grows from deep roots, so too must India cultivate a robust manufacturing base to ensure lasting prosperity. A key challenge hindering India's growth has been its dependency on fluctuating agricultural conditions and reliance on outsourcing ITID's positions. While countries like China have surged ahead by fostering focused manufacturing growth, India has lagged, missing opportunities for self-reliance. It is imperative for India's youth to grasp that achieving economic stability necessitates an unwavering commitment to hard work, continuous learning, and national development. Without this dedication, foreign direct investments will evade us, leaving us grappling for advancement amidst growing international competition. Educational institutions must evolve in response to these challenges. IITs, for example, should remain steadfast in their dedication to science and technology, prioritizing groundbreaking research over diversifying into less critical fields. Examples of global manufacturing leaders like GE, Samsung, and AkzoNobel demonstrate the potential for Indian industries to compete on the world stage. Similarly, arts colleges must concentrate on enhancing core competencies, ensuring accessible education becomes a reality for students from lower-income backgrounds. Such advancements empower the younger generation to step into the manufacturing landscape armed with quality education and skills. Moreover, the collaboration between MBA institutes and technology-focused institutions is vital. By integrating courses that combine marketing, psychological insights, and technological applications, students can be equipped with the necessary skills to innovate and excel in today's fast-paced business world. A formidable manufacturing sector would not only catalyze economic growth, but also instigate a cultural renaissance. As evidenced by nations like the UAE, economic prosperity can pave the way for flourishing arts and cultural initiatives, creating a rich and diverse tapestry of societal growth. Ultimately, cultivating self-reliance through manufacturing stands paramount for unlocking India's economic potential. Initiatives fostering technical education, industry-academia partnerships, and a culture of entrepreneurship will drive us toward a vibrant future. As we stand at the crossroads of opportunity, the responsibility lies heavily upon us. Will India seize the moment to reinvent its manufacturing reality? The choice rests in our collective hands. Let's initiate a national dialogue that propels us forward.